Hello everybody, this is Juan from Shenzhen OSL. Today we're gonna make a video to present you guys a new separator from our company, OSL Q1. So this is a new member for this family Q, this Q series. So what's the difference? I'm gonna explain to you the difference between those two, but this one is HP01, which is the old one we were setting. And we're gonna sell this one for, gonna sell this one. In the future, we're gonna sell this one, also this one. That's why I'm gonna explain to you guys the difference between those two machines, because from the video or from the photos it's kind of very hard to understand the difference between those two. That's why we're gonna make this video and also explain to you guys the difference between those two machines. The first one, the Q1, this one has two built-in pumps. So we have two pump installed pre-installed in this inside of this machine, and also it has higher space. We're gonna use for the flex, but we're gonna explain to you little by little. This one has two pump inside. That's why it has it's more powerful. It has more suction, so the suction is better, is stronger. So this one has one pump inside, so the suction is less than this one. So the first thing, the suction, this one is stronger and powerful. This one is less, but this one is also strong, not bad, not a bad one. So this one is also good, but this one we made it better because the pump, this one has two pump inside. Also the pump, the quality is a little bit better because we want to how can I say this, like classify or make two different levels. So that's why we made this one better. So this one is the normal quality like we were saying before. The first one is the pump one, this one two, this one one. The second difference is the this space. This one has higher space. Why? Because this is the this is a screen. This is a screen for S8 Plus. You can check when you clean the glue. You can put on the hot plates, so you can clean the glue. You don't have to extend too much of the flex. But this one, you can check, when you clean the glue, you have to extend a lot the flex. So when you extend more the flex, the more you're gonna break, the more you're gonna break the flex. So that's why this one we made a little bit higher, so you don't have to extend too much the flex. You have less risk for breaking the glass for the flex. So two difference: one, two pump, more powerful, more suction. This one pump, less suction, and this one higher. You have less risk break the flex, but this one you have less altitude, height, but this one you have to extend more the flex. You have more risk break the flex. So those are two difference of those separators. Now this one is already open. So I'm gonna open that you guys see the difference, this one inside of this machine. So check, this one has two pump inside, and this driver is also bigger. This one a smaller driver, and also the one pump. The reason we're explaining this, because those two machines maybe for two different actually this one is not bad. Also for distribution, the price is low. It's better for distribution for your business. But if you have your your own business, if you don't do the distribution, I suggest you have the another one, the higher one, the one with the height with two pump. So that's when the suction is better. But this one is also very good because we're selling this one for a long time. We never had any problem with the quality. But just if you want a better experience, you can have another the Q1. And also if you have another Q series product, the color for Q1 also is like they have the same. The Q family, it has the same color. So also it looks beautiful. So now I'm gonna So now we can, because from the video I know it's kind of hard to let you guys see the difference. So the suction, which one is better, which one is stronger. But I just want to do a little test. I just want to let you guys say the difference. But I know it's very hard to explain. It's very hard to explain from the video the difference between those two. Okay. See? It's very strong. So because I'm doing this video, so I can tell the difference between those two machines, because from the video it's kind of hard to see the difference. This one is also good, you see, this one is also good, but this one is just stronger. The suction is just better, so you can see that. So it's not, this one has 2 pump, it doesn't mean this one has 100% more stronger than this one. But this one is at least, I mean, 50% or 40% stronger. 50%, I think. See? Okay, let's see. I hope you can tell the difference between the video, but I know it's very hard to explain to see the difference between those videos. But it's not a very big difference of the price also, or you can buy both of them. So one you can use it for iPhone, another one you can use it for Samsung. It depends on you. And yeah, that's all. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. And if you have any comments, please leave it on the YouTube channel as well, or you can write us by WhatsApp, you can write us by email. And I hope you like our video. And I know some of you guys in Europe now have a good day, and some of you guys in South America or US have a good night. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.